Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore closed tabs in Chrome. I will teach you how to do it on both Windows and Mac. In Google Chrome, you can easily restore closed tabs using the following methods. Method 1. Using keyboard shortcuts. For Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. This keyboard shortcut will reopen the most recently closed tab. To restore multiple closed tabs, repeatedly press Ctrl plus Shift plus T, and each previously closed tab will be restored in the order it was closed. For macOS, press Command plus Shift plus T. This keyboard shortcut will reopen the most recently closed tab. Method 2. Using the menu options. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Chrome window. Hover your cursor over the History option in the menu. In the expanded submenu, you will see a list of recently closed tabs. Click on the tab you want to reopen, and it will be restored. I hope this video was of help. Bye.